A well-organized and decluttered kitchen plays a crucial role in creating a positive guest experience. Clean countertops, neatly arranged utensils, and accessible appliances contribute to an inviting atmosphere that guests notice immediately. Even minor adjustments, such as removing unnecessary items or streamlining storage, can enhance the overall impression and comfort. These thoughtful touches often translate into higher ratings and glowing reviews, as guests appreciate the attention to detail. Ultimately, a tidy kitchen sets the stage for memorable stays and lasting satisfaction. Start by removing any duplicate utensils and mismatched dishware, especially coffee cups, from your collection. This simple step helps create a more streamlined and organized appearance in your kitchen or dining area. An intentional selection of matching items not only enhances visual appeal, but also makes guests feel more welcome. By curating your dishware, you foster a sense of order and hospitality that elevates the overall atmosphere. Regularly checking your pantry and refrigerator for expired items is an important step in maintaining a clean and organized kitchen. Removing outdated condiments and supplies not only ensures food safety, but also demonstrates a commitment to freshness. By the way, when was the last time you checked the expiration dates of your spices? This practice helps prevent unpleasant odors and clutter, making it easier for your guests to find what they need. Keeping only current and relevant items signals attention to detail and creates a welcoming environment for anyone using the space. Reducing the number of appliances to only those regularly used on your countertops can instantly make your kitchen appear larger and less cluttered. By designating a specific, labeled area for essential items, you ensure that everything has its place and is easy to find. This approach not only enhances the overall sense of space, but also makes the kitchen more user-friendly for guests. With clear organization, visitors can quickly locate what they need without confusion. Ultimately, a streamlined setup contributes to a welcoming and efficient kitchen environment. In summary, Dr. Schuttler, a 3-plus-year Airbnb Superhost, shared 3 often overlooked decluttering strategies that can make a significant difference in your hosting experience. By focusing on hidden storage solutions, regularly reassessing guest essentials, and minimizing visual clutter, hosts can create a more inviting and functional space. Implementing these tips not only enhances guest comfort, but also contributes to higher satisfaction and improved ratings. Taking the time to refine your approach ensures your property stands out and leaves a lasting impression on every visitor.